back into the channel. We have actually not left LA yet, so we're in a little bit of a bind. They kept on calling this guy's name out over the intercom, and we saw the police getting on the gangway. So we're assuming it has something to do with that, but we're just happy to be on the ship. We made it. We're here, and Jordan's getting ready right now for dinner. We have some reservations, so we're super excited to have y'all tag along with us for the next 7 days. We're gonna be doing 1 C-Day vlog and then 3 Poor Day vlogs as well. So y'all enjoy, and I'm just gonna keep on taking in this view.
Carson. And it goes back.
Okay, smile and hell tip. Smile and hell tip. Unagi. I don't know how I'm gonna do on this next frame, but I hope it's a double take. That one. Oh no. Too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, too sexy it hurts. No, we're going to La Cucina tonight at 5:30. Haven't been there yet, so we're very pumped about trying some Italian cuisine. Jordan's back here getting ready. We're on hour number 3 now, so just very patient. You guys out there that are married can understand kind of what I'm going through right now. I'm playing, she's giving me dirty looks, some of the stuff. But we're enjoying it. It's been a great sea day. Overcast broke around 2, and we had some sun come down, so it's been great. We're gonna head to dinner, so we'll see y'all in a second. Jordan's got the gnocchi. Fettuccine, meat on the way, stay tuned. I've got some form of chicken here. Jordan, what do you got?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. Delicious. Yeah.
So I saw his mom when I fly in from Alaska to Seattle. So I spent time with his mom and the youngest. This is more laid back, you know.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The escape was more. It was more active and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was about to say you looked relatively busy at all times.
Yeah, the escape was. I never stopped, man.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we snuck into. What did we sneak into, Jordan? That's right, and it did not disappoint. It's super nice. No, the facility is really nice. You have like a plethora of chairs. Right in there is like the solarium area where they can retract the roof. We're gonna go peek in here real fast. Yeah, they can retract the roof. Let's go in here and take a peek at it. Okay. Oh, to the left. Sweet. So the Haven Suite is pretty ridiculous. yeah, you gotta check out the Haven. That's for sure. So we're wrapping up over here at the Vernos zip lining. I probably butchered that name as well, but we had a good time. It was a little bit longer of a drive over here, so it's about an hour and a half. But the facility was great. The food after was really nice. It was a little pricier than we expected, but the zip lining part was exactly where we needed to be. No, yeah.
Okay, thank you though.
Thank you, ma'am. And overall, the ziplining was on point. So it was our first ziplining experience anyway. So do you want anything to add before we go?
No, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, for sure.